my baby coming out here on the balcony. The balcony.
We're gonna have breakfast.
A little breakfast, some decaf coffee, Diet Coke, some coffee, cream for my, no, that's milk for my cereal. Lucky Charms, you know, because they said those are so bad for you.
Fruit. Bag of ice.
That's yummy.
This is
good.
mine.
And then, well, when we asked for a lot of cream cheese, she got a lot of cream cheese. So this is about the limit you can get for free. Okay, other than you can switch things around, like you can get melon. I mean, she got fruit, but normally it said a banana or melon. And if you want like a breakfast sandwich, you have to pay for that. But this is pretty much the limitations of the free stuff. Again, a couple different kinds of cereal and stuff like that.
But you could have got as much as you wanted, as far as they had toast, they had bananas, they had yogurt. So they did have a lot of little things to make it neat if you want to eat in your room real quick.
Right. This is probably the first time we've ate in our room in probably 20 years.
Besides my donut.
Besides that donut. All right. Bars are open. Terry's laying over there. I'm gonna go get some more coffee and lay by her, but it's a little breezy, but nice and cool. But I'm sure it's gonna get hot. This is the funny thing about as the week goes on. Normally, it's 8:30 in the morning. This place is usually packed. Buffets are usually full, and there's hardly anybody out here. As the week goes on, people get up later and later and later. I'll even show you out here by the pool. Usually, the pool area by 8:30 on a sea day is packed. You can see there is nobody out here at all. Now there's always somebody bellied up to the bar at all times of the day, and we will be soon, but as you can see, vacant. Showed y'all this a million times, but you can see kind of how angry the ocean is today. Ship's kind of been all over the place. You can see it's a little rough, but they're still going to let people swim. There it all goes over to one side. It'll be coming back. Here we are on the celebration. Never knew who you're going to run into. Curtis Bascom. There he is. And he's sitting by himself again today. Poor little feller ain't got no friends. His family won't even sit with him. Love this guy. Anyway, good times. They should be here eating bacon.
Of course. And, of course, coffee.
And coffee. Thanks, buddy.
Enjoyed it, man. Enjoyed it.
Motor guy.
Good seeing you, man.
It's the only guy I know that can pick up a motorcycle with one hand.
I know they don't even do that anymore.
No, well, it's because nobody's strong enough to do it, except Curtis.
Been there, done that.
He has.
28 years.
He did. All right, man.
This is it.
This is it. This is the life, right, Curtis?
That's life, man.
This is it, man.
This is it.
It's more fun being a bum than it is being part of the problem. I mean, it's more fun being a part of the problem than a part of the solution. We can tell you that firsthand.
Hey, we had to stop it before. Now we're part of it.
There you go. Continues. You never know who you're going to run into on a cruise ship. You're again, like I told you, we're on the Carnival Celebration. This is Jeff. No last names mentioned. And what are you doing, Jeff? Why are you at the bar? 9 o'clock in the morning.
Enjoying a good kiss on the lips. Not from you though, but from the bar instead.
Well, that lets me down a little bit.
I'm sorry about that.
Well, you always treated him that way. I took all your dead bodies.
That's
That's
true.
just wrong.
Very true.
But you took all my burglaries, so it
Every
worked
time.
out. All right, Jeff, you having fun?
Yeah, absolutely.
I knew you
We're
were.
gonna have to do it again.
We are.
All right.
All right, Jeff. Thanks.
All right, bro.
Day where you can get absolutely drunk and no one cares because you're allowed to. It's a great day. Are you going to get drunk today?
Yes.
Of course. Yeah, I've already started. That's it. I slange. There we go. Slange whiskey in the jar. Beautiful.
Here we are with Jenny's. Jenny's is on here on the celebration until June. So if you're out by the pool, who do we want to ask for?
Jenny!
Jenny. Jenny's is
All
awesome.
right.
Make sure you look him up.
Yes, okay.
He will
Enjoy.
bring you.
Hello,
a lot,
everyone.
and he will bring
Enjoy.
you a lot of buckets of beer.
Yeah.
Terry, what are you hiding under that towel? What is that? It's an Ethan. My man. Yeah. What kind of animal is that? That's an animal there. Some kind of porpoise or something.
I dare you.
I dare you. I dare you. Double dog dare you.
I'll give you $50 at the arcade if you jump in.
Goodbye, Ethan. Have a nice jump. Do it. Money talks, as Ethan would say.
Arcade!
Do it.
Arcade!
Go. What's it, Denny? So right over there, street eats, as you can see, and we got. That is the Thai. Pork, yep. That is the dumpling, and it's a pork dumpling. And then I got the chicken. Who put that there? That's weird. All right, RJ decided to get some lobster rolls with fries. I ate a little bit of that, but he's gonna eat the rest of it. He's a growing boy.
We're going to be having some games. We got prizes, giveaways. It's all happening. So if you're ready to celebrate St. Patty's Day, make sure you're down on the floor. We're going to be starting just over 5 minutes time. So we got the shenanigans happening up here. Shenanigans, that's right, kid. I'm telling you right now, it's not a skirt, it's a kilt. That's right. Please put your hands together for the one, the only, your cruise director, Chris, the Flying Scotsman. Everybody, listen up. I need everybody right now to come and join us on the floor. We're going to be dancing today, and also, we're going to be doing something pretty special. We're going to be the first ship ever to a full Irish jig on the Lido deck. I'm going to teach you a traditional Irish jig, and you're going to get your phones out. We're going to go viral. I'm telling you. No one's ever attempted it. Today we're going to do it. So what we're going to do is we're going to warm you up. Let's get you on the floor. Let's get you dancing. If you're wearing green, you know what I mean. Come on down. Let's start with this one. Come on. You're gonna turn to your right and then turn fully round this way. And then you take it from the top again.
Totally
So you
sober
literally
and
go like
right.
this. Look, it went
I couldn't do that sober.
clap,
I tried.
right, left. Then you go right, left, right, kick, left, right, left, kick. To the right, to the left, clap, turn, turn. And then you go right back to the start again. Easy. You got that? I think we got it. It's easy. It's an easy dance. Here's my favorite song. Here we go, clap it up. So don't you dare look back. Just
Right before dinner, me and Terry laying on the back deck on deck 8 in Summer Landing. Caesar's still a little angry. See all the white caps?
We are out in the middle of really nowhere. No land in sight. And look right out there. One little itty bitty boat. And all these white caps. Yeah, I'm glad I'm not on that boat. Going to chibang. Annie got
Pork belly.
pork belly. Ethan got pork belly. Pat got greedy and got 2 pork bellies. Terry and RJ got
Water.
nothing.
More is coming
No,
though.
he got
More
coffee.
is coming though.
Jay got pork belly. Popular.
With more to come.
Tortilla chips.
And second appetizer, what is that?
Quesadilla.
Quesadilla.
And he already started. So.
Jay got pot stickers. What are those?
Those are nachos.
Those are
And
nachos.
pot stickers. Pot stickers.
More pot stickers for Terry.
Nachos.
And more nachos.
Thank you.
Chibang. Queso Bambino for RJ. Terry got some spring rolls,
You ordered pot stickers beside me.
chips, and salsa.
No salsa.
All right, it continues. Terry got lobster. RJ got lobster. Lobster for...
Danny.
What's your name, Danny? Ethan didn't get nothing. And I got lobster. Try this again. Kung Pao chicken, lobster, aioli, red beans, white rice, lobster, Kung Pao chicken. She already mixed her rice because she's ahead of the game. Again, lobster, Kung Pao chicken. Danny got lobster, aioli, white rice.
That's what Ethan got. Tortilla.
And Ethan got white rice and red beans. Yummy, yummy.
Stop it. That's gross.
Same thing.
Annie, what'd you get?
Shebang.
What'd you get?
Shebang.
Shebang. What'd I get? Shebang. What'd you get? Shebang. Oh, what'd you get?
Shebang, shebang.
No, you got nothing. And you got no rhythm either.
Yeah.
camera right now. This is a picturesque moment, a moment in time to capture all of these team members on this stage. Let's take those pictures. Absolutely not. Absolutely not.
More comedy now in the Limelight Lounge. Hello. All right, we've had a long day.
Yes, we do.
All day at the pool. As you saw, we went to Chibang and we ate a little bit.
Then we went to a lot of comedian shows, and now we're in the casino. We're going to try to get lucky. But we had a busy day. Tomorrow's our last day. And this right here is
Chocolate martini, baby.
wine.
Chocolate martinis are good.
So good. They're so good.
We'll see you
You can
tomorrow.
only have one. Don't you?
Yeah, only one.
Hold on.
Or two.
Cheers.
Sometimes three, but tomorrow's our last sea day. Well, not our last sea day forever, but you know what I mean. So anyways, and then until it's back home to reality. So we'll see you tomorrow. Might be spend the day at the pool again. And then we're going to go to maybe Cucini del Capitano tomorrow night.
We are?
You never know.
All right. Sounds good.
All right, by the way, these machines here, they have been ugly to
Zeus
me.
is not on the
Very
loose.
mean to me the whole time.
Zeus, not on the loose.
Ain't want us nothing. We'll show you.
Oh God, here you go. My money in your mail.
Nothing.
Zero.
That's the way it's been the whole time. Nothing.
But we're having fun.
We're having
It's
fun.
all about fun.
It's all their money, so we don't care.
We're having fun.
Good night.
Life is good today.
Every day.